everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. This is my first video, and yes, I am not natural on camera, so bear with me, okay? Today I'll be going over how to accomplish your goals 2020. This is one of my favorite topics because it's something that I'm passionate about, and these are tips that I actually use. I'm not gonna give you anything that I haven't done before, and if I haven't done it before, I'll let you know for sure, okay? So the tip number one is to look at the big picture. So pick 10 things you want to accomplish or more for the year. I suggest no more than 10. That way you don't overwhelm yourself. Some people start off at 5 things they want to get done for the year. So don't try to overwhelm yourself if you know that's not what you naturally do to go and accomplish your goals. If you're the type of person that free spirit, go with the flow, and if it happens, it happens. Start off small, okay? That way you can easily track your goals over time. So start off with the big picture. Pick something, for example, like starting a YouTube channel and wanting to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. Now that way your channel can get monetized and you can start collecting a check from Google AdSense. So that might be more of a long-term goal, like for me, for example, because I'm just starting out. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. That's your overall big picture, right? So now you're gonna take your big goal and you're gonna break that down. So tip number 2, break it down into weekly and monthly. Your monthly goal can be, okay, I'm going to create 5 videos for the month that's really good content for my audience, and pick the topics and what you want to talk about and what location you want to shoot and all the above, okay? So be very detailed about what you want to do. And weekly, once a week, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna make sure you do all your videos for the first week of the month, or once a week for the month? Whatever is manageable for you, I suggest doing that. Don't go overboard because, like I said, this is baby steps for improvement. You don't want to really overwhelm yourself, okay? So after you break it down from monthly to weekly, it is very important to also set dates quarterly, which is 4 times a year, of checking in on how much improvement have you made over time for the 3 months. And the reason being, 12 months is a long time. And we might think, oh, we have all the time in the world to start a YouTube channel or lose weight or whatever goal that you might have in mind. So it's important to hold yourself accountable and make sure you do something that works for you. So whether that be check in every 30 days, quarterly, every 2 months, whatever works for your schedule, I suggest doing that. And don't ever think, oh, I'm gonna set this goal and it's gonna happen magically over time. You have to put in the effort, okay? And hold yourself accountable. So I'm going to actually write examples of how I would do it that works for me in the next video, and I'll put the timestamp below so you can see how I whatever I'm explaining here, how I do it on paper. I'll just do it on my computer, and that way you can actually take out a pen and paper or do it on your laptop and do it with me. Plan out your goals with me. That way you can understand the process easily and you can implement it now and take action now and don't wait later, okay? And the reason why I really wanted to do this video, because a lot of people I personally know have a hard time accomplishing their goals because it just seems overwhelming when they think, oh, I have a whole year, and then they wait last minute, try to make it happen, and it don't really work out for them. So I'm rambling right now, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this onto my computer. I'm gonna screen record it and you can plan along with me, okay? So if anyone wants... Okay, so first start off with your big picture. Write down what's your big picture and then break it down into monthly goals and then weekly. And these are just some examples of how you would plan it out per week and what date you want to check in to make sure you have any improvements you need to make or anything of that sort. Last thing is accountability, making sure you're holding yourself accountable, okay? To hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, a comment below. I would appreciate it. Like I said, this is my first YouTube channel and my video. Okay, so show me some love. Thank you.